going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Today's the day, bro. The Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. And I got a quick question, man. Do y'all think Jordan Brand is running this whole Travis Scott Jordan 1 thing in the ground? I don't know, bro, but I definitely feel like that has influenced the love for the overall, Jordan 1 silhouette, man. Every time we get a drop, nobody feeling it. But you guys know today, man, the Canaries will be dropping. Y'all see them, bro. And your boy going for a size 9.5 men, which is size 11 to women. So we're going to see what happens. We have literally 5 minutes left. We have 5 minutes left. See that focus? Yes, sir. 5 minutes left. So we're going to see how lucky we are. I think the stock numbers, it ain't too great. It ain't looking too great for the stock numbers, but I think this is like the most produced Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on that, but I will put the official stock numbers up here on the screen so you guys can check it out. Now, I don't know if I'm going to drop this video the day of the drop or the day after, because it's going to be in conjunction with the Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. You're probably going to see a long vlog or something like that. So we're going to see what happens. 5 more minutes. I'm going to come back, let you guys know how I did. And the way it's been looking lately, your boy been taking mad L's, so we're going to see if Nike shows some love to your boy. I'm still salty about that J Balvin L that I took the other day. Yo, and y'all see it, bro. We just hit 94K, bro. 94K on the channel, man. Appreciate you guys so much. And we have 1 more minute to the drop, bro. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. 150 the retail tag, and let me know too if you're going for the red taxis, or you probably already seen it for the review and the feet that we already did on the red taxis. So I think everybody on this video worried about these Canaries and the vlog for the Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. And that's the way the cookie crumbles with the Nike sneakers app. Let's see if we can find a pair at Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. Balvin's on deck. Balvin's on deck.
That's super extremely fire. You already know the vibe.
These tough.
I'm giving a pair away.
Yeah?
These tough.
How much?
Free.
Also got the Futras on deck, man. Definitely one of the ones I wanted to grab.
I took an L on that one.
Yeah? What you think about them, bro? What you think? Yeah?
I think it's dope. Like the story's dope, details is dope, but I mean, I wouldn't wear it.
I definitely think these two right here, the Balvin 3s and the Futras, you know what I'm saying, was one of the ones that everybody wanted. Super hyped up. I might have to go and double back and grab these things, but I'm leaning more into doubling up on the J Balvins, bro. Super tough. Got the little hang tag emoji. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to J Balvin. We need them, bro. Need to double up. How much you want for the Futuras? How you say it? Futuras. I'm always saying it wrong.
Futuras, whatever.
I took a huge L on that one.
So how much you want on them?
Honestly, I sell them to over market to customers. I really don't sell to resellers like that. So
I'm not.
No, I'm just saying. No, like I mean, I don't know if you're like a person that's for market. Like,
I'm just.
So like, what size?
Like a size 9.
Size 9, I could do 450.
450. And then what about the Balvin size 9?
The Balvin size 9, 550. And those I'm not really budging. Cause
You gonna wait till it go up, huh?
Yeah. Well, I just had to pay a certain, backdoor price.
Yeah, I know how that go.
So
I know how that go. I see you got the Weathermans too. These ain't released everywhere.
No, yeah. Remember back in the day? I remember when I used to wish I can get those.
Exactly. Now we got them back.
Now they're sitting in. Now I don't play ball anymore. I used to play college ball, but
oh really?
no more. Yeah,
Man, you look like you used to be a hooper. I fucked my knees up, man. I don't even.
Like that's everybody.
Yeah, everybody's story, man. He used to hoop, mess their knees up.
Legs, something.
Yeah. Nah, man, I appreciate it, bro. I might have to double back on these Futuras, though. I ain't gonna lie, 450. I'm gonna check market and see how it is.
Yeah, no, for sure. Just let me know. Look here, all sizes.
I got you. Yeah, they tough too, man. Oh my god. That's my first time seeing them in person, so.
OG all box, everything too.
These nice. Yo, should I pull the trigger? I don't know. 050. Now I might double back and come chop it up with you, bro. Appreciate you, man.
Absolutely.
Yo, so we are still on the search for the Elkin Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows. Took a huge L on them, and I ain't seen them yet. But we got a little bit more to go down this little boardwalk. The event is nice. Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. Make sure you guys go tap in. I'm gonna put the link down below. They do have some upcoming shows as well. But like I said, man, we've seen some Futuras, we see some Balvins. I'm trying to see what other heat they got in here. We need to see what them Elkin Travis Scott's looking for, because I have not seen them yet at all. My first time seeing them in person, so I got to get y'all show y'all in the video. Hey, but we got my guy, Jay the Sneaker God. I remember I first texted you that shit, bro. I said, it ain't Jay the Sneaker God. It's Jay the Sneaker God, bro. He touch everything,
Hey, man. Humbly speaking, man, I truly appreciate it, man. What's up, Vintage Squad?
No doubt, man. Hey, but you guys know what I came in here. I had an agenda, bro. We've been trying to find the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Canaries, right?
I ain't seen them, bro.
And the only person that got them, bro, is a man himself, bro. And he got them on feet, bro. He got them on feet. Now, I got one question for you, bro.
Canaries, what we doing?
One question. So, is this top 10 sneaker of the year? Is it one of the top 10?
Yes. It's in the top 10. It's up there, though. It's not top 5.
Okay, that's interesting.
I'm a big hype beast.
Because I was just talking to him. He said this ain't top 10 at all. So now we got two. We got two of the guys.
I don't know. It's just like it's been. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I'm about to reconsider it because now I got to think about it because there's not a lot really been coming out so
The
far.
colorway, man, it's just I think the colorway pops. You know what I'm saying? Like it's one of them eye-catching shoes. So I think the
And it's
unique.
actually better. Sorry to cut you off,
No,
but
you
like,
good.
but it's also because we never seen a Travis Scott this color. Now that you said that,
It's always mocha or
it's always like
tan
a mocha or
something
or
like
a
that.
olive. Okay,
Top 10. Top
Definitely top
10.
10.
Jay
It is
always
not,
got it, bro.
It's
I
not
told
top
you,
5. It's definitely
Oh,
not
no,
top
no,
five.
not top five, not top
It's
five.
like 9 or 10-ish.
Yeah.
Okay, I can agree with that.
And it
I
could
agree with that.
possibly get bumped out because we got a lot of heat dropping.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
it
yeah,
might
yeah.
get
So,
bumped out.
As of right now, though, I'm saying it's top 10.
There's not much coming out, but
Hey.
I agree with that. It's about
Hey.
for now. For now.
Y'all heard it here first from the GOAT himself. Two
Canary.
GOATs.
His shoes are still selling. Even the retros, they're still selling, bro. But I can argue LeBron's shoes are still selling.
Are we talking about
They're
selling
not
or we talking about selling now?
Yeah. Jordan's shoes
LeBron-
didn't sell out.
Look, yeah, Jay, Mike's always been on top, bro. Mike's
Yeah.
always been on top.
But what's been his competition? Kobe say.
That they did. They
Yeah, we
did.
just seen that
They
yesterday.
did.
All of
Kobe
them.
said.
All of them.
Of Air Jordan is our generation. You know, like we got stories of our pops, our grandpops talking about Jordan, so that just carry down with us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I feel like in our community, you can't say LeBron better than Jordan. You can't say it. That ain't cool, though.
When my boy Sniper Jones say LeBron is better than Jordan,
He is.
I instantly look down at his feet and say, what are
See?
you talking
See?
about?
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Talking about?
In this community, you cannot say LeBron is better than Jordan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know
I'm
you're
a
a LeBron guy,
guy.
bro. I got two little bros. That's a LeBron guy. Him and Sniper Jones, and I always gotta remind them, look down at your feet, bro. Look down at your feet.
Right, bro. In this community, you cannot say Bron is the GOAT because of shoes, but Bron is the GOAT, bro. Bron the GOAT. Yo, so bro got the white Balvins, and he wants how much?
For you, lowest 450.
450. He want 450, and I'm like stuck. I'm like, yo, do I spend a 450 on the white pair? They gonna keep going up, but I don't know, man. What should I do, y'all? Should I pull the trigger or not, bro? Size 9 too.
Don't regret it.
Bro, he's been stingy on his $25. He being stingy on his 25. So I'm telling him 425, 450 coin flip. He don't want to do it. I mean, it's his shoe, you know. We ain't pressing him. But he'll do 500, 400 coin flip. I'm like, yo, that's too much of a gamble for me, man. It's too much of a gamble. Really want him, bro. Really want him. 425, bro.
450. Just that big gamble. 400, 500.
Okay.
Details.
They tough. They tough. These Kobe's. Nah, the Kobe's. Yeah, Kobe's. It's one of the ones I need, bro. It's one of the ones I need. I don't got these Grinches or the original Grinches. I don't got nothing, bro. I'm Kobe-less because it's impossible to get a pair of Kobe's nowadays, man. But this is one that's on the bucket list for 2024. And these released last year.
Yeah.
It released last year, okay, yeah. So this year, definitely on the bucket list. Might be one of them grill unboxings you guys see very soon. Ooh, man.
Man, I took such a huge L on that
Man,
shit. Bro. I should've held that shit.
Everybody talking about
I
the
should've held.
CPFMs, and the price on all of them is skyrocketing right now. So the best time to get these things is right now, no lie. Best time to get the things is right now, because next thing you know, it's gonna be a $400-500 shoe just for a white pair, man. So clean. And these right here speak for themselves, man. OG Travis Scott mochas, bro. These like $1,500. That's not bad for worn. $1,100. And these just cold too. I want them, bro. I want them. I want them, bro. But you're asking a little too much, so I guess the double up is gonna be a little bit. We're gonna push the double up back just a little bit, man. But I do really want another pair, man. The price is gonna continue to go up. If you guys doubled up, or if you even got one pair of the J Balvins, man, let me know down below in the comment section, bro. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful pair of Jordan 3s, man. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the entire vlog, man. Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. They have some upcoming shows, like I said earlier in the video, that you guys can go tap into. I'm gonna link their Instagram down below so you can stay up to date with some of their upcoming events, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, bruh. Super dope experience up in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Hopefully I give you guys more vlogs and stuff like that at upcoming sneaker conventions. That's on my bucket list to do, to give you guys something new to watch, you know what I'm saying? Me getting out the room and showing you guys what the, you know, the real sneaker community has to offer, man. Linking up with some dope people, meeting dope sneaker resellers and stuff like that. It's always a great time. But make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell. We are like 5,000 away from that huge 100K. You guys know it's gonna be a crazy giveaway. And man, I just can't wait, bro. I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, man. I couldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys going to different events, linking up with some dope fellas and stuff like that, man. So I appreciate you guys so much. Please give a huge like. Let's get this up to 500 likes. Share it with a friend. Like I said, man, experience is dope. And I hope you guys enjoyed the entire vlog, man. Hey, I'm lost for words, bro. Lost for words. Had a great time. Shouts out to Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. Can't wait for the next one. I'm bringing guys along with me. But again, sub up, hit the notification bell. And yeah, only thing I gotta say is we have an upcoming Whatnot stream. You guys can use that link down below in the description box to get $15 credit to your next purchase. So make sure you guys go join up on Whatnot. Join the live stream we have this upcoming week. And we got some dope stuff to say. We'll be doing another giveaway on stream. So make sure you guys tap in, man. Love y'all. Appreciate all the support. Sub up, hit that like button. All that's being said, man, that wraps up the weekend at the Jus Nice Sneaker Convention. Peace.